Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab that is develop no-code chat apps with AppSheet. So simply right-click over here and open the AppSheet in incognito window. Now select Google. Enter the details from the lab instructions like this. Enter the pass. Click on I understand. Continue. Just enable all the permissions over here. Now once it is done, come over here to task number 1. Right click over here and open incognito window. From here simply click on copy app, and for the name just copy this name carefully. Once you have copied this name, just click on copy app. Now once you see all these has been successfully loaded, in next new tab just type sheets and open Google Sheets in new tab. Now wait for this page to open. Once the sheet is open, just click on this. Got it? Click on this page, means just open the main page. From here, just click on this tickets. After that, simply click on this file, import, and simply click on upload. Now here in the description box, I've shared this file in GitHub dash. Okay, you have to scroll down and simply download this file to your local system. Means on your laptop, just click on this button and download it. Once you have downloaded it, from here, just simply drag and drop. Click on replace spreadsheet, import data. Now simply come to the lab instructions and simply check the score for each and every task. And if you are wondering how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.